Today we're going to work on Misir Wat. All right, so 3 tablespoons of this fun stuff. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I'm adding onions to what would be the niter kibbe. All right, medium-high heat. We do this for 8 to 10 minutes. And we will stir this. I've cooked 5 to 7 minutes and I need to reduce heat because this is really hot. I'm going to soak it in broth for a few minutes. So something that a good friend of mine taught me, always add the dry stuff before the wet stuff. There's 1 teaspoon of salt. Give this a stir before adding stuff. Give that a good stir. Don't want any of this stuff left to be dry. We need to bring it to a boil. All right, that looks like it is boiling. So let's reduce this down to low and find our lid. All right, so we will let that simmer for 40 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes, we'll see how it goes. Add more broth. Well, can't really add more broth because I don't have any. So I can add some water if we need to. Okay, so now it's been about 50 minutes or so since we started. So at this point, we need to add 1 tablespoon of niter kibbe and 1 tablespoon of barberry seasoning and stir it, simmer it for 2 more minutes. Okay, so now we are done simmering for the 2 minutes. So we just need to add salt to taste, which I'll probably just leave that out. It's ready to serve. So this is what it looks like, and find out what it tastes like. Ooh, very hot. Wow. Okay. I really look forward to eating this. It has a good kick to it. It's not a big kick. And yeah, it's just really, really good. Oh, yeah, it's a lingering spice. It's in the back of my throat, kind of the back of my tongue. But yeah, the flavor is just wonderful. Yeah, it's a pretty good recipe. I would do it again.